Jonah was a special man. God spoke to him. God had a big job for Jonah. He wanted Jonah to go to Nineveh. The people of Nineveh were not kind. God wanted Jonah to tell them to be good. Jonah didn't want to go to Nineveh. He was scared. So Jonah decided to run away. He went down to the sea. He found a ship going far away from Nineveh. Jonah got on the ship. He thought he could hide from God. The ship sailed away from Nineveh. Jonah thought he was safe, but he was wrong. God saw Jonah on the ship. God was sad that Jonah didn't listen to him. God decided to teach Jonah a lesson. God sent a big storm. The wind howled, the waves crashed, the ship tossed and turned. The sailors were scared. They thought they would die. Jonah knew this was his fault. He knew he had disobeyed God. The storm got worse. The sailors didn't know what to do. Jonah told them to throw him overboard. He told them it was his fault. The sailors didn't want to, but the storm was too strong. They threw Jonah into the sea. As soon as Jonah hit the water, the storm stopped. The sailors were amazed. They knew God was real. Meanwhile, a big fish swam through the sea. This wasn't just any fish. This was a giant whale. The whale saw Jonah. It swallowed him whole. Jonah was in the belly of the whale. It was dark and scary. Jonah was all alone. He knew he had made a mistake. He was sorry for disobeying God. Jonah prayed to God. He asked for forgiveness. He promised to obey. God heard Jonah's prayer. He saw Jonah's sadness. God forgave Jonah. He told the whale to spit Jonah out. The whale swam to the shore. It opened its mouth wide and spat Jonah onto the beach. Jonah was free. He was ready to listen to God.